All right, so in this video, we're going to look at some applications of multiplying polynomials. So for example, if I give us some area problems, let's say I have a triangle. Say we have a triangle. One side of the triangle is 3x plus 2. The other side of the triangle is 8x minus 2. And I ask you to find the area of the triangle. Well, we have a formula for area of a triangle. It's either base times height divided by 2 or 1/2 of the base times height. So when I fill in what we know, I get 1/2 times my base, which is 8x minus 2, times my height, which is 3x plus 2. Well, you can actually see here that I've got a polynomial times a polynomial, and whatever I get, I want to take half of that. So let's do either the box or the horizontal method, the vertical method, FOIL if you want to. Maybe down here I'll kind of set up this box. I know the box would have to be a 2 by 2, so that one side was 8x minus 2, and then I have a 3x plus 2 down at the bottom. Finding the area of all the parts, I get 8 times 3, 24 x squared. I get 3 times a negative 2, negative 6x. And then I have 2 times 8x, 16x. And then I have negative 2 times 2 is a negative 4. So I'm actually looking at the area is equal to 1/2 of whatever I get here. So I have 24x squared. And then I have 10x. So when I combine like terms here in the middle, negative 6x plus 16x is 10x. And then I have a minus 4. So we need half of this. So I get area is equal to half of 24, which is 12x squared. Half of 10x is 5x. And then half of that minus 4 is minus 2. So the area, because we don't know what x is 12x squared plus 5x minus 2. We might get problems like this on IXL. You might get problems like 4a plus 2 squared. Well, really, when you look at this, it's not distributing the 2. We actually are taking this number, 4a plus 2, this polynomial, and I'm going to multiply it by itself. I get 4a plus 2 times 4a plus 2. And now we're actually looking at a polynomial, a binomial times a binomial. So you can use FOIL, the box, horizontal, or vertical. So I end up getting, if I were to set up this box, 4a plus 2 times 4a plus 2. So 4a times 4a is 16a squared. 4a times 2 is 8a. 4a times 2 is 8a. 2 times 2 is 4. So I get 16a squared plus 8a plus 8a is 16a plus 4. And then we're going to stop here. So make sure these go into your notebook, and then there are some IXLs on this as well as an assignment.